Have you ever pondered over the magic that allows Netflix to predict the next movie you'd be interested in? Or how Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant seem to comprehend your queries so accurately? Well, buckle up, as we're about to embark on a fascinating journey to the heart of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's better known. Scene script. Picture AI as a diligent student, always learning, always improving. This student doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and has an insatiable curiosity. Intriguing, right? But how does this student learn? The answer lies in a concept called machine learning. Imagine a young child learning to identify animals. You show them a picture of a dog and say, "This is a dog." You repeat this with various animals until the child can correctly identify them. Machine learning works in a similar fashion. It involves feeding data to an algorithm which then learns patterns and makes predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Now, imagine the brain of this diligent student. It's not made up of neurons and synapses, but of something called neural networks. These are sophisticated models designed to mimic our human brain, and they form the backbone of AI. Neural networks consist of layers of nodes, each node processing information it receives, much like how neurons in our brain work. The more layers and nodes, the deeper the network and the more complex the information it can process. But AI doesn't stop at recognizing patterns or making predictions. It goes a step further with natural language processing, or NLP. Think of it as the student learning different languages. NLP allows AI to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually relevant. It's the magic behind your digital assistants understanding your commands, or your email filtering out spam. Now let's take these concepts to the real world. AI is everywhere. When you use a streaming service like Netflix, AI algorithms analyze your viewing history, compare it with millions of others, and voila! You have a list of recommended shows tailored just for you. Or consider self-driving cars. They use AI to interpret data from their sensors, understand the traffic rules, recognize objects on the road, and make decisions on the fly. So what have we learned today? AI is like a diligent student, constantly learning from data through machine learning. It has a brain made up of neural networks that process this information. It learns languages through natural language processing, enabling it to understand and generate human language. And it uses all this knowledge to make our lives easier, from recommending movies to driving cars. AI is indeed a fascinating realm, constantly evolving and full of potential. Who knows what it'll learn next? Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring, and stay curious. Because in the world of AI, there's always something new to discover.